to allow sampling on your music or not to allow sampling on your music. Here's a great Smokey Robinson, in his own words, letting the people who are against sampling their music know that he doesn't care. Once more, Mr. Smokey Robinson.
Kids first started to sample music and doing all that, people come to me, hey man, they sampled your music, get you upset? No, sample all of mine.
Yeah.
Sample every song I ever wrote in my life, please.
Wow. Please.
Because when you sample it, that says to me that out of the billion songs that are on earth, you know, that you had a choice of, you know, and plus you a songwriter yourself.
Yeah.
You chose one of mine.
Yes.
To incorporate in your music or to be to just sing, period. Thank you.
They have all the right to feel that way, but you have certain artists who are just like, I don't want anybody touching my music. Make your own music, and you know, y'all need to be more creative.
Fools.
Okay, you said it, I didn't.
Yeah, I said it.
You said
Fools.
it, I didn't.
Yeah. Stupid. Yeah.
There goes the answer to that. That is what it is.
Absolutely. Because see, first of all, like I said, it's flattery, and then you're going to earn some money.
Yeah.
So why would you protest that?
We ain't never mad at that.
Yeah, why would you protest that?